this is Cheryl Traxler from Alaska, and I just wanted to get on and talk to you about how you can make money online with no stress. Now, how's that work? Well, let me tell you that there are things when you start a home-based business that stress people out, and you know, it makes it hard. You get in, you're just all excited, you love what you're buying, and you're just like thinking this is going to be awesome, right? This is going to be so amazing. And then you all of a sudden feel like you're totally alone. You don't really have anybody to help you, and you really don't know what to do, and you're freaking out, right? You're freaking out because that's not what you had in mind. That isn't the dream. That isn't what you were thinking in your head, how that would work, right? And you're just like, what do I do? Well, there are at least 7 things I have that make it a no-stress situation. And the first one, of course, is support. Because like when you got in and you were ready to go, but your sponsor really wasn't responsive, you didn't know anybody else, right? You didn't know anything about what to do next. Really important support, really, to help guide you and lead you and show you what to do. It's so vital. So support can be so many things that are good, that help you, that lead you down a good path to success. And what I'm talking about is a support that has several chat places you can go to talk to people, to, you know, be able to communicate, be able to be part of something more than just you. To be part of a team is really important. And all of these are connected and set up for you for your success. And we have that on Facebook, and we have another chat, and all these make very good sense of how this works together. You have support in your back office. You have support. You have a Start Here button that gives you simple instructions how to get set up so you're ready to go. And that's important. And we have what I don't think I've ever seen this period since I've been online is success coaches that talk to you, that answer your questions, that lay kind of out a plan. So if you're not clear about everything, they take care of that, and you understand where you're going, what you're doing, and the success that you can have with this program because of the support. Big, important. That takes away any stress because you're not like sitting there alone thinking, what am I going to do? You know, because you all of a sudden realize you don't have anything going on with anybody except your sponsor, and they're not really helping you, right? So that's number 1. Now, number 2 is our traffic. Now, people buy clicks, they buy solo ads, and they can spend a fortune and not make a dime. How many times have I done that? I know exactly what that means. And you're thinking about selling. You're thinking about, well, I need to get a sale. I need to be able to do this. And that is distracting and very stressful when people join a business about the sales and about all that goes with it and how you're not a salesperson. You don't want to do that. Well, guess what? This traffic that we have is like no other. For one, they're not solo ads. They're not clicks. They're not people. We really don't know what they're interested in or what's going on with that, because they're just a list on somebody else's autoresponder, and you just don't have a clue how that's going to line up with what you're offering. And so what we have is traffic that converts. Now, isn't that a fresh air thought? Converts because they've already committed to how much they're going to spend, and also said how much time they've got every week. Now, that's incredibly good news because that is a traffic that converts. I mean, I do traffic every week and I get paid every week. The traffic does this is sold, and they've already committed. They've already said, like I mentioned, that what they're going to spend, how much time they've got, and it's pretty incredible. And then you want to know what you do every day. I mean, what do you have to do every day? Now you got this great traffic, but then you learn this exact blueprint that tells you what to do every day. It's not hard. It's simple. I can do it. I'm a granny of 7 grandkids. I can do it. Anybody can, right? And then we've got number 4, and that's our get paid system. Now, who has an entire system just for you to get paid? You know, which does relieve your stress. How are you going to get paid? You know how you're going to get paid. And we have a system for those in the U.S. The Stripe account is what I have. And then outside of the U.S., transfer-wise, works great. And so that takes care of how you get paid, because you earn and then your money's put in your accounts and you get paid. It's very simple. And also you have what nobody mostly ever has when they get started. I mean, I worked online a long time. I never worked with a 7-figure earner that mentored me, that talked to me, that messengered me, that did webinars and live trainings and told you exactly. And if you were off base, if you weren't doing it just right, they told you what you were doing wrong. Now, who cares that much to put that much effort in it and help you and show you exactly what they're doing to make 7 figures? I mean, it is definitely a no stress scenario, because all these pieces are in place. And if you just do what you're supposed to do, which is simple, I do it in an hour or 2 a day, and boom, I'm done. It is incredible, and it's a no stress, definitely, because you never worry about the sales. You never worry about that. And that is peace of mind, because you do get paid. I've made over 11K with this system, and it rocks. It rocks so much. And I'm with a team, and we're just now getting into our elite team group that we're going to get together and go to the next level and work in teams of 2. Optional, not something you have to do, but something those of us that are really go-getters, that really are serious about our business, are going after. There's so much here, so much potential, you know, for you, that it's incredible. Very incredible. I highly recommend you go to my link in the description below and check us out. That would be awesome. You'd be pleasantly surprised. So thanks for watching my video. Bye from Alaska.